Your doctor tells you that you have cancer. The doctor tells you you need surgery immediately so that the cancer won't spread and ultimately kill you. What do? You have the surgery, and shortly afterwards you learn, oh, by the way, you never had cancer to begin with. Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this incredible information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The doctor goes ahead and removes a small piece of tissue, and sends it for evaluation. The doctor who evaluates that is known as a pathologist. That's a doctor who specializes in evaluating and interpreting different tissue specimens under the microscope. The result is that the doctor comes back, says that you have significant malignant cancer. And now your treating doctor formulates a treatment plan that says, listen, I just got the pathology report. It shows that you have advanced cancer, and the only treatment is to have surgery to remove this organ that's killing you. If you don't have it, you're going to die. So what do? Well, chances are you're going to listen to your doctor and go forward with the surgery that's being recommended. Some patients will go ahead and get a second opinion. But what if you're not one of those patients who gets a second opinion? And now you rely on your doctor. The doctor does the procedure, and then after the procedure they get the pathology report back from the organ that they removed, and lo and behold, the doctor tells you in his office in follow-up, oh, by the way, Mrs. Jones, I'm so sorry to tell you, you never had cancer to begin with. You underwent a surgery that you didn't need. You were told you had a diagnosis of cancer that you really didn't have, and now you're really curious, not just curious, but you're getting angry, and angrier by the day. The more you think about it, the more you realize how unnecessary and unwarranted this whole process was. So what do? You'd wind up going to an attorney who then gets copies of the slides that were originally evaluated by the first pathologist. It just so happens that the pathologist did not read and interpret your specimen correctly. In fact, if it was read correctly, it would have shown that you had absolutely no cancer whatsoever. So what do? In that instance, you would probably have a valid case against the pathologist and the company that he works for misinterpreting the original slides, which then led to your treating doctor recommending and performing the surgery which really was not necessary. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into one of the types of malpractice cases that can occur and does occur here in the state of New York. Chances are you have questions or concerns about your own particular legal matter, and if you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I answer questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski, coming to you from New York. Have a wonderful day.